Hi guys, welcome to our channel Sirisha Cherlapalli. So today I'm going to share the information regarding the step-by-step registration process of Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt 2021. It is a national-wise hiring program that is conducting by Wipro to hire and encourage the young talents across India. So before starting our video, I would like to ask you that please do subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for all to get instant notifications of my videos. So let's move on to our video. First visit the website careers.wipro.com/elite. It will open this page. Even I have provided the link in description box. You can reach out there. So here are the details of eligibility criteria and selection process of this hiring challenge. If you want to brief explanation of this hiring process and eligibility criteria, please do watch my previous video, that is Wipro Elite NTH 2021 hiring process and eligibility criteria. I have also provided the link in description box. So now just scroll down here. You can find apply now button. Just click on it. It will open this page. Here it is the same details like eligibility criteria and selection process, just as the previous page. Just click on the apply button here. Now you will be asked to enter your email ID, and also it has given some terms and conditions, etc. Read those and click on next button. It will open this page. Here you can also connect your Facebook, Google, Microsoft and LinkedIn accounts of yours. And next you have to upload your resume, that you can upload it from your computer or Google Drive or Dropbox or OneDrive. You can choose any of the option here. And your resume should be of less than 5 MB size. Next, upload your photograph as same as your resume. Also check your photograph should have a white background. And next, create your login by entering your login ID and password, so that your login ID and password will be registered and you can use those ID and password at the time of your login. Next, enter your information. First, select your salutation like Miss, Mr., etc. and enter your first name, middle name and last name as per your Aadhaar card. Next, enter your email ID. Then give your primary and secondary phone numbers. Here, the secondary phone number also a mandatory field. And then enter your address. First, select your address type, that is it is your home address or other. And next, enter your address, city, country, state and your PIN code. And next, enter your date of birth as in month, date and year format. Then select identity type, that is what government ID of yours. Then select identity type, that is what government ID of yours you want to enter, that is Aadhaar card, PAN card or driving license, etc. that you have to select here. And next, enter that government ID number which you have chosen. Next, move to the educational details. Here you have to enter the 10th school name, year of passing and 10th hall ticket number, that is a registration number, and the name of state from where you have completed your 10th school, and then choose the aggregate type, that is CGPA or percentage, and then enter your exact CGPA or percentage in 2 decimal places. After that, enter your 12th or diploma college name, same year of passing, registration number, that is your roll number, state name, and then choose aggregate type, that is CGPA or percentage, and next enter exact CGPA or percentage in 2 decimal places. After entering the educational details, select the time zone as Indian Standard Time and then click on Submit button. Next, it will open this page. Here, read this consent for processing or data for other job opportunities. And always check this box to get further opportunities from Wipro and click on Submit button. Now it will open this. Select your race and gender here and click on Submit button. Next, it will open these job specific questions. Here you need to choose whether you have any active backlogs or arrears, and also you need to select whether you have any education gap between your 10th and graduation. After that, click on Submit button. So it will open this page. Here you need to enter your graduation details. Select your graduation, that is undergraduation or diploma, etc., and institution type, that is your institution IIT or NIT, etc. If not, select other. And next, enter your registration number, that is your graduation roll number. And next, select your state from the list, and then also select your district. Next, select your graduation institution from the drop down list, and also your graduation course, that is BTech or BE, etc. And next, choose your branch. Now select your graduation year of passing. Here it is showing up to 2019, so that all 2019, 2020 and 2021 candidates who meets the eligibility criteria can apply for this job. And next, select your aggregate type as CGPA or percentage, and enter the percentage or CGPA in text box. And so if you have any PG, then fill these details also. Otherwise just leave. It is not mandatory, it's optional thing. So just check all the details once again and click on Submit button. Now you can see that the message, your application was submitted successfully, thank you for applying. So this means you have applied for this job successfully. And next, check your dashboard once. Here you can find the boarding pass forms. Just click on it and it will open like this. Just see the details again, and this you need to carry while taking the assessment and also at the time of interview. So just print the form and sign in the place of candidate signature. And the documents you need to carry during the assessment and interview are this boarding pass form, original Aadhaar card. In case if you don't have any Aadhaar with you, you can carry any other government ID proof, that is PAN card, driving license, etc., and also college ID card. So these are the things you are required to carry during the test. So this is the step-by-step registration process of Wipro Elite NTH 2021. Hope you clarified. If you have any doubts regarding this, please comment below, and please like the video, share and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for all to get instant notifications of my every video. Thanks for watching.